Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Capricorn placements. This is your general and the person on your mind. The person on your mind, love reading. At ako nabubulol. Okay, so Capricorn. Let's see. Syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Pasensya na po ha sa boses ko. Ako ay inuubo. Oo. At sinisipon. And syempre, again, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating sa atin pong mga items. So andito sila lahat. Yes. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating mga protection mula sa mga evil eye na ibinabato sa atin. No, this is our ring, evil eye ring. This is adjustable, by the way. So nothing to worry pagdating sa sizes. And syempre, yung ating necklace and bracelets. Okay, meron tayong evil eye protection na necklace and bracelets, and ito yung ating love bracelet na masyado akong nakafocus sa love. Yun nga pala, meron siyang citrine, which is money magnet. Yung makikita nyo ditong mga itong mga to, like color yellow, color yellow na stones. So yan yung citrine natin. Okay, so yan siya. So, it's like money magnet. It's 2-in-1 bracelet, money, and love magnet. Okay, itong ating bracelet na to. So, kaya pala dalawa. Oo, dalawa yung kanyang ngayon ko lang naalala. Oo, so, isang for money, isa para sa love. Okay, so, 2-in-1 for love and money. So, if you're interested, kung ikaw ay lalaki, kasi syempre, parang babae, no? Pwede mo ilagay ito sa pouch na red. Okay? And keep it. Oo, palagi malapit sa'yo. So, yun po, ha? And, ibibigay nyo yung totoo yung pangalan, please. Huwag nyo itatago. Okay? And syempre, yung ating granter, si granter necklace, yung taga-grant ng mga minamanifest. Sasamahan nyo ng evil eye kung meron kayong evil eye para na po proteksyonan ninyo yung inyong mga minamanifest, ha? Okay, hindi nyo alam yung inyong mga minamanifest na ganito nasa butahin ng iba, kaya pagdating sa inyo luray-luray na. Akalain nyo hindi na mamanifest ni granter, na mamanifest niya pala. Yun naman pala, luray-luray na, kakabato ng evil eye sa inyo ng ibang tao. Nasa ere pa lang, 'di ba? Wasak-wasak na. Ganun po, ha? And syempre, tagapagbigay ng surprises din to si granter. And yes, diba, may buhok ko pa. Pasensya na. So, ito naman yung ating cord cut. So, magbigay lang ako ng mas madali na identification. Natawa ako doon. So, madaling sabihin nating keyword, para dito sa ating tawag dyan, cord cut is pangtaboy, MALAS, ha? Ayun na lang. Sa mga hindi masyadong maintindihan yung pagkakat ng mga energies, kasi yun yung nagpapabigat. So, bang meron kapag mabigat? Diba? Ang alat. Diba? So, yun na lang. Pang-alis, MALAS. Itong ating cord cut. Okay, ito yun, ha? So, again, kung may tanong, just message me. So, let's see. Capricorn, what's for you in June? Ngayong June, anong meron sa'yo? Anong meron for you, Capricorn placements? In general. Pasensya na po, ha. Ako ay inuubo and sinisipon. Oo. Normal naman. Let's see. What's for our Capricorn placements ngayong June? Unang card pa lang. The Wheel of Fortune. Okay. This is a good energy. Unang card, the Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Magaan. Oo. Or gagaan ang June. What's with this Wheel of Fortune? The Five of Cups. Yes! Nice! Kung ano man yung mga pinagdaraanan mo ngayon, may mga mangyayaring maganda. Okay? May mga sabihin nating blessings, no? The Five of Cups, this is the sabihin nating sadness. Andito yung energy ng para kang natalo, parang ganun. Pero yes, ngayong June, the Wheel of Fortune, no? Para dito sa mga energy na parang nawala or nasayang. Okay? So, sandali lang po ha. Wait lang. Okay. So, the Nine of Pentacles. So, could be pagdating sa kaperahan mo. No, itong sinasabi kong magbabago. Okay? Kung ano man, yung, ito specific. Kung ano man yung nagastos, nawala, anong mga nakaraan, sabihin nating mas marami ang darating para sa'yo. Okay? Sabihin nating kung anong nawala, may pupuno ngayong June. Okay? So, lalo na pagdating sa kaperahan mo, may paglago. Yeah, Judgment. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so what else? Capricorn. Capricorn. Ngayong June, the Three of Pentacles in reversed. What's that? The Devil. This is you. I'm not saying you're the devil. Okay, this is like, yeah, the zodiac sign lang. The sign mo, oo. The Devil. Capricorn. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Be careful kung ikaw itong may mga bisyo-bisyo, ha? Okay? Kung ikaw itong may mga bisyo-bisyo. Nine of Cups. Yeah. May nakuha kasi ako dito na parang like obsessive, toxic, okay? Na pwedeng makakasira. Ano tong Three of Pentacles in reversed? The Ace of Wands in reversed. The Hermit. Pagdating sa workplace, could be para kasing ikaw yung sabihin nating andun yung word na bida. Okay, andun yung word na bida, andun yung sabihin nating all eyes on you. Parang ganyan. So, nandyan yung mga mananabutahe. Okay, ayaw ng mga to na ikaw ay mag-grow. Nandun yung selos, nandun yung inggit. Okay? Yeah, see? The Ten of Pentacles. Yung iba kasi dito, nakukuha ko, pwedeng inggit sa kung ano man yung pwede mong nagagawa, nabibili, mga ganyan. Okay? So, iba sa inyo, hindi talaga malabong ini-evil eye kayo eh. Yeah, sa totoo lang. Protektahan ninyo energy nyo, mga Capricorn, ngayong June. Okay? Gagawa at gagawa talaga tong mga to ng kung ano man para lang mapabagal ang progress mo. Yeah. What else for Capricorn? Justice in reversed. What goes around comes around. May naririnig akong ganun. Justice in reverse. What's this? The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Health ang naririnig ko for some of you. Okay? Just be healthy. Piliing maging healthy ngayong June. Okay? Balansihin. King of Swords. Again, the Ten of Pentacles. Ayaw naman natin na parang mawala lang yung pera natin sa kung ano-ano man, no? Na I'm hearing major operation for some of you. Okay? So, just be healthy. Choose to be healthy. Okay? Some of you, if there's this legal action or legal matter, meron ako nakikita dito na parang pag-uusap. Be careful, don't be afraid dito kay King of Swords. Okay, magaling lang siya magsalita. Iba sa inyo, matatakot ka dito. I don't know why. Okay, pero nakikita ko kasi pwedeng baliktarin yung situation and hindi niya maging responsibilidad, yung talagang responsibilidad niya. No? So, magaling tong taong to, kung sino man to. I don't know, some of them, they have this the power trip. Okay, power tripping, mga ganyan. Okay? Some of you have to get another opinion, okay? From a doctor. I don't know, that's so specific. Okay? Ang tawag sa ganun. Second opinion, like that. Mga second opinion. Bago kayo mag-settle dun sa isa. Dun sa una. Sa nauna. Okay? So, anyway. Yes. Meron akong nakikitang pwedeng ma-accept or mapirmahan pagdating sa pera. Okay? Pwedeng mayroon kang inilalaban na pwedeng manalo. Parang ganon. Specific po yun, not for all. Okay? So, next, the person on your mind, Capricorn. The person on Capricorn's mind ngayong June, anong meron sa inyo? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Ang link. Okay, so yeah. The person on your mind, Capricorn, who is this? Who is this person? Oops, the Three of Cups. Could be a friend. Could be third party involved. What's with this Three of Cups? The world. Pwedeng malayo kayo or there's distance in general. I think there's this energy na parang kakasimula pa lang. Kaya nandyan yung enjoyment, nandyan yung happy moments with this person. Some of you, you're just talking online. Okay? Communicating online. Yeah. Pwedeng LDR, pwedeng foreigner, parang ganyan. Anyway. So, there's this, in general, there's distance. Could be the age, location, ganyan. Pero, yeah, masaya ka sa taong to every time na sila ay nandyan, malapit sa'yo, or magkausap kayo, face to face, mga ganyan, like FaceTime, mga ganyan, energy. So, some of you, this is new, or sabihin natin kakaumpisa pa lang na connection. Anong meron sa situation nyo, Capricorn? Two of Swords in reverse. What's with that? The Five of Pentacles. The Hierophant. Seven of Pentacles in reverse. What's with this Five of Pentacles? Yeah, the Lovers in reversed. Okay, so Capricorn, sa situation ngayon, no, parang wala pang totally, sabihin nating nag-iisip, no, ng malaliman dito. Nandito yung energy na parang, yeah, we're happy sa kung anong meron sa ngayon. Okay? Pero, there's this decision. Okay? Pagdating sa sitwasyon ng iba sa inyo, meron kayong kailangang iwan or siya. Another connection. Bago gumawa, bago dumesisyon dito sa connection nyo na to. Okay? There's blockages. There is blockages here. There is issue here. Ay, buhay. Kailan ba mawawala yung mga issue na yan, no? Oo. So, actually, I think this is, sabihin nating strong connection. Yeah. Strong. Even though there's no label sa iba sa inyo, wala pang label. Actually, wala pa. The Three of Cups. Wala pang label dito, para kayong friends pa lang eh. Andyan yung the world, like ina-accept nyo pa lang kung anong meron. Oops, toot. I don't know kung may nangyaring separation sa inyo ng taong to. That's specific, not for all. Some of you, if this is a past person, they're just accepting kung anong nangyari. Accepting na talagang kayo ay wala na. Pero they need you. The past person, they need you. Okay? Pero kung bago to, hindi pa sila totally, sabihin natin, or ayaw nilang mag-iisip about separation. Ayaw nito na malalayo, ayaw niya na mawawala ka. Parang may ganon. Pero, iba sa inyo, may mga kailangang piliin. May mga kailangang i-end. May mga kailangang layuan. What is your emotion for you, Capricorn? Eight of Swords. And Page of Pentacles in reverse. Some of them parang feeling nila bilang na bilang, limitado. Okay? Limitado. Can't express kung anong totoo. Hindi maipakita kung anong totoo. Emosyon, action. Like that. So, it's like pending. Delays. They want to express kung ano man yung totoo na nararamdaman nila sa'yo. Pero, yun nga, there's always this limits. Oo, may limits. Let's see, what's their next action towards this? Yung past person mo, nag-iisip tungkol sa'yo, iniisip ka, pero they're not reaching out. They won't. Okay, they won't. What is their next action towards you, Capricorn? Page of Cups. And yeah, the Six of Cups. They want this. They see you as somebody na pwedeng makasama, like matagal. See, strength, the Ace of Pentacles. They want you. They really, really do want you. Okay? They like you. Miss ka na ni X, Capricorn. Kung ito yung connect mo ngayon, na bago, they want happy ever after, or sabihin natin they want long-term connection with you. They're thinking of future with you. Lagi itong, ang binabanggit niya is hindi lang pang sarili niya. Oo, like us. Ganon. Us. We. Parang ganon. Ganon siya. Okay? So, anong advice for Capricorn? Some of them, they're young. Younger. Ace of Swords, nagpakita. Iwasan ng mga nakatago. If ever. Capricorn, anong advice for you sa sitwasyon nyo na to? King of Cups in reversed. And Justice. Justice. The Hanged Man. May narinig ako, don't keep them waiting. Don't keep them waiting. Four of Cups in reversed. This is balance emotionally. Okay? I don't know, some of you, there's this emotional imbalance. I don't know kung ano yun. Narinig ko lang. Emotional imbalance. Some of you, Capricorn, kung ang taong to nagbibigay ng happiness sa'yo, or in general, wag tayong gagamit ng iba para maging okay tayo. Para makatakas sa mga dapat takasan. Okay? Some of the people connecting or wanting to connect, sabihin natin, totoo sila. Totoo sila na lumalapit sa'yo. Pero ikaw ba? Nagiging totoo ka ba pagdating sa kanila? Like, fair ka ba? Anong dahilan? Like that. Gusto mo lang bang kumonect dahil malungkot ka? Parang may kulang sa'yo? There's imbalance? Or talagang gusto mo lang or gusto mo din talaga yung tao? Yeah, it's like knowing kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo na mangyari. Okay? I don't know kung bakit ko narinig yung don't keep them waiting. And yun nga, pwedeng wag tayong paasa. Okay? See? The Two of Cups. This is genuine, actually. This is strong. Okay? You're feeling the strong connection with this one, I think. Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, they want this with you. Pero, yun nga, i-set aside muna yung mga dapat i-set aside. Some of you, if this is talking about your emotion, na parang nagiging nagbibigay issue sa mga dapat mong ayusin, set aside mo muna yung emotion and i-fix mo yung mga dapat mo nang i-fix. Okay? And dapat, yeah, para magkaroon ng mutual na kung anumang energy sa inyo. Yeah, I think this person, sabihin nating they're genuine. They are genuine. Yung kakonect mo ngayon, they are genuine. Kung bago, itong kakonect mo, younger, okay? And nagsimula kayo as friends, like napaka-random niyang tao sa buhay mo. Ayun yung mga specific po, na energy ng tao na nababasa ko. Sabihin nating totoo sila. Genuine sila pagdating sa'yo. This is a green flag. Okay? So, wag natin sayangin if ever. So, let's see anong meron. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries through Pisces. Aries. I don't know. Some of them, they're watching you. I don't know why. They're watching you. Keeping awake. Like, they're awake at night. Or losing sleep. Some of them. Okay. Taurus. They want to know you. Some of them, they want to know everything. Kung ano man ang mga parang nakatago, parang ganyan. They're like curious. Gemini, they want communication. They want to control. Some of them. Cancerian, so Cancer, their back is turned. Leo. Some of them, this is the energy of parang pause or halt, like Maybe this Leo needs a break. Needs to take a break. Or maybe ikaw, Capricorn, kailangan mo mag-take a break from this Leo. Virgo. Oh, they're in love. They're in love with you. Libra. And there is injustice. Some of them, their back is turned. Like their back is turned. Scorpio. Ikaw ang pupuno sa kakulangan na meron siya. Diba? Ang lalim. They're sad. Kapag wala ka. Feeling incomplete. Sagittarius, they want to know, they want to get your attention. They want to they want to hear from you. Excuse me. Capricorn. Gusto na makawala ni Capricorn. Aquarius. They're thinking of you. Some of them may nakukonsensya. Hindi ko alam bakit. Pisces, they're invested. Oh, diba? Ubong-ubo tayo. They're invested. Some of them, they're waiting, expecting from you. Kung ano man to, I don't know. But yeah, they're not doing anything. Feeling a strong connection with you, though. Okay, so yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Capricorn placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. And yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below, the love letter. Thank you. Bye.